Hello everybody. Today I'm in the Block Drop server. I just won 2 times in a row in Skywars. One time full iron armor, all enchanted, protection 1 on everything. One time stone sword with sharpness 1, bow with power 2. That was one time I won. I was so impressed by myself. I'm proud. I'm very proud. Thank you. But we're gonna go again. And the other time I won, it was based on lava. Lava was the thing that killed it. But anyway, we're starting. So, hello. Planning on doing 1 round today. 5 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and I'm planning on winning. So if I don't win, I'm gonna cry, and if I cry, I'm gonna be sad. And if I'm sad, then that's no good. So I'm planning on winning, just like I did last time. Alright, iron sword, good. We're gonna take these, take that, rhino, golden apple, I don't know. Wait, I need those blocks. Get this. My hands are shaking. Whew. Why not? Cobwebs. Cobwebs would do more snowballs, more of this. My heart is beating. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm recording. What happened there? I don't know what happened there, but what? It's not cool. No, not at all. Stop it. Alright. Do we have an enchant table? Because no. Well, hello. Dude, it's not cool. It's not cool to go in people's. Ooh, man. Oh, I'm dead. Help me. Help, Superman. I killed him. I'm not using that. Alright, double enchant table. Oh, yes, we can enchant. Alright, fast. Before some other guy comes and tries to chop me. But that will not happen because I am too good. Oh man, 64 health. See, this is what. I just had 2 wins in a row and I died when I record, and now I'm sad and I'm gonna cry. Alright, 1 more round, people. 1 more round. I have to win. Come on, I have to win. Come on, please. I'm gonna do this until I win. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, get some experience bottles. Not what I was hoping for. Oh no. Oh, that's good. Open! Enchant, make it and this, and yes, that's good for. How did I get this? Oh man. No good. What happened there? Alright, no good. Actually, pretty good, maybe. Probably. Alright, get down here. What? I thought there was no chest. Come on. Yes, this is. At first I said it was not good, but I changed my mind. Go. And more, and More and... Am I going to wooden sword it up? No, I don't want to wooden sword it up. Wooden swords are not that powerful. And I don't like unpowerful stuff. Iron axe. Why did I just get coal? Alright, shoot him. No! Why? What happened? No, that's not good. I could have got him. Alright. Our armor is cool. We have diamonds. We're all blue. And I like it. Yeah, because we will still win without it. I'm sorry, but we have to leave you there. Because where is it? Ooh, freeze. Shoe pile, shoe pile, shoe pile. I'm gonna pile, I'm gonna pile. I'm gonna pile. Should we jump? Should we jump? We're gonna jump. Yes, we did the jump. Go, 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 go. Go, go. There's somebody at the spawn. He's probably super powered and stuff, so... Yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. Come on. Oh, I'm too good. How did I do that? I don't know. Everyone must be asking, how did you do that? Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. 2 levels. Enchanted with 2 levels. Of course, sharpness. That's good. Another chicken golden. More arrows. Because, or how many people are left? Come on, we have to win. If we don't win, alright, we have to this time. This time's ours. This time's ours. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Ooh, I thought we were dead. I thought we were gone for a second. That's good. Thank you, Brock, for saving me. Oh, if I died there, I would really cry. Come on, just one match. We have to win this. Please win, please win. Hallelujah. Where is the dude? Oh. Okay. Oh, I see one. Come on, come on. Come out, wherever you are. I already see you. Yep. Ooh, person alert. Ooh, my arrow didn't shoot. Oopsies, whoopsies, somebody's firing at me. Oopsies. Why do I keep getting arrows? Is there an enchantment bottle? Do these restock? I think that's what they do. Yes! How did you know, mister, that I wanted enchantment bottles? Okay, come on. Enchant armor. Go. No! I will not be defeated by you, mister, because I'm not... Okay. Alright. What's wrong with you? Come on. I'm in open space. Nope, you're not gonna... No. No, this is bad. No. This is not... No. Do we do the enchantment? Or I'm gonna eat a golden apple and then... Please. Why are you doing this to me. I'm sad. Please, let me win one game. Why won't you do it? Ooh, did I just eat all three? Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, please, 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 please. Hallelujah. Yes! Yes! And then we have the bow. We have a bow. We have the bow. The bow. The bow. Yes! I'm so happy. I was so sad at first, but now I... Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on, man. You can't be doing this because I have one more level. Do we go for the boots? Do we go for the bootalones? Do we go for the bootalones? Because we go for the bootalones. Ooh, just like we went for the bootalones. Yes! I'm not gonna lose. Ooh! Ooh. So he wants to fight. Well, I'm bored. I'm waiting. So. Ooh! He's trying to. Wow, he wants to try to beat me. Where is he? He's playing hide and seek. Or he's invisible. Why is he invisible from me? Am I blind? I cannot see the guy. Why? See. Wait. Nope. Who is left? Who is... Stop shooting at me. It's very not nice to try to shoot people. Where is it? Oh man, no. No. This is bad. I can't see him. Please. Oh, I see him. Go. Go, we're the last two. Probably the last two, is my guess. My guess is we're the last two. He's probably waiting for me. Hey, you two can play. Where did he go? Oh, I see him. I see him. I see you. Come on. One. Please, I see him. What? Oh, no. No. This is all very bad. I'm gonna patch this up. Just so I don't die. I'm the most horrible. Can you please stop? Because it's very not nice to do that. And oh man. He's gonna kill me. Don't do this, man. We can be friends. I tell you. Oh man, he's good. He is good. Oh, we're gonna win! Alright, I'm going. Alright, give me these. No! This. Don't be. Come on! No! I'm ending this video either way if I die or not. Alright, come on. He's probably on the chase. He's on. No. Why? Alright. Anyways, we did bad. Very bad, and, so, see you guys all next time. Goodbye.